Hi guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix message sending problem in Oppo. So before proceeding, please share, like and subscribe so that you will never miss any update. So now I'm going to show you how to fix message sending problem in Oppo. So first we're going to on the messages app, and then from here we will click on setting, and then from setting we will search first here under setting of messages app. So we will search it if like here receive message and pop up window, you have to on this, and then allow flash messages, we have to on this also. So display recent contact when creating a new messages, this also you have to on, and show contact avatar in the messages list. This depend on you if you want it to on or not, because it just the avatar message avatar, so it depend on you. So we have to click next here on more setting, we have to search it first here, then here you have to search here if there's, you have to on the auto download and turn on web push. So you can on this also, auto download metaphobic also you can on it. Then if you see you then from here if there's no problem here, then we have to search on the setting first. We then we have to click on the setting, we have to search it on the setting. So you can just simply search it here, or you can scroll down, then click on app management, and then after that we have to search it. And at some phone they won't be shown here messages, so we have to click here show system process. So click here, so it will show like this. So many, there will be many app it will be shown, so we have to search it. Here is the messages, click there. Then we have to click here force stop, we have to force stop first, then force stop, and then we have to check the storage, then we have to clear the data, and then clear the sachet also. Then after that we will go back, then we have to click here also the permission. So we have to click permission, we have to on a call log contact location, all of these we have to on it. Then after that we will check here on manage notification. So on here I've on the allow notification, so the notification will come here, because I have allowed, and any messages that come will show here, and this will pop up here on the top of the window. So this is it guys, of how to fix message sending problem in Oppo. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like it.